You will smile, you will dream, you will learn, follow me to a world full of light, full of colors so bright. Oh, beadies fall and beadies fly, the beadies bring the world to life. You can run, you can play, you will learn from the page. There are songs we can sing that will solve anything. Oh, beadies fall and beadies fly, the beadies bring the world to life. It's beadies time!
Balls. Beady likes to fly all around the page. Can you guess which color we're on today? All the trees are red and the ball is too. Watch as Foxtail rushes along to you. Watch her run, grab the ball. This will be so fun for all. Throw the ball to your friend. Oh, the fun will never end. Hello, Foxtail. You have a ball today.
Running, jumping is so fun. Won't you spin? We've just begun. I love playing with my ball. Won't you join me, one and all? I am Foxtail, here I go. Here I go, here I go. Throw the ball and catch it too. I love playing ball with you.
I am a bouncing ball, the bounciest of all. Just put your hand on me like that. I'll bounce away and bounce right back. A ball is such a wonderful thing. You can make up many games with it.
I am holding my red ball. Throw it up and watch it fall. Watch it jump and bounce around. Try to catch it on the ground. Here we go, here we go. We will catch and we will throw. Here we go, here we go. We are playing ball, you know.
And now, the blue ball.
Take the blue ball in our hands. Kick it over to our friend. Try to catch it, we must run. Playing ball is so much fun. Here we go, here we go. We will kick it to and fro. Here we go, here we go. Playing ball is fun, you know.
Wow, a white ball.
Now the white ball's in our hands. We are sitting in the sand. Push it over nice and slow. You can catch it, there you go. Here we go, here we go. We will give the ball a roll. Here we go, here we go. Playing ball is fun, you know.
Ooh, a green ball.
Here's a green ball that I found. We can throw it on the ground. It will bounce not once but twice. You can catch it, oh so nice. Here we go, here we go. We will bounce it to and fro. Here we go, here we go. Playing ball is fun, you know.
Wow, a yellow ball.
We'll stand in a circle now. Throw the yellow ball around. We will catch and we will throw. Round and round the ball will go. Here we go, here we go. We will catch and we will throw. Here we go, here we go. We are playing ball, you know.
Laundry. Open up the book to the blue page. Beadie's in a hurry to use her paint. Everything is blue, Beadie is so glad. But the bucket slips out of Beadie's hands. What to do? Oh no, no. Paint is spilled on all the clothes. Oh no, no. It's not fair. What will Wolfy have to wear? Wolfy's waking up from a lovely rest. Now it's time for him to get up and dressed. Something isn't right, now our Wolfy knows. Paint is on the ground and on all his clothes. What to do? Oh no, no. Paint is spilled on all the clothes. Oh no, no. It's not fair. What will Wolfy have to wear? Hello, Wolfy. Look. All the striped shirts are dirty.
Well, my name is Wolfy. I know what to do. Whenever there's trouble, I'll solve it with you. Don't frown, little Beadie. No need to be sad. We'll clean all the clothes and we'll all be so glad. Do 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 do. I will ask to help too. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I will fix all the trouble with you. Let's go, little Beady, we need you to paint some buckets with soap and some water today. We'll wash all together, come on everyone. When washing my clothes we can all still have fun. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I will ask all my friends to help too. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I will fix all the trouble with you.
What a great idea! Let's wash everything.
The bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full with water now. We'll take water now and pour water out, and we'll make it soapy now. We soap up the water, we soap up the water, we soap up the water, drop, drop, drop. We wash all the clothes, yeah, that's how it goes, with the water filled with soap. The clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, splash, splash, splash. We give them a rub, we scrub and we scrub, wipe the stains with all the suds. We wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, scrub, scrub, scrub. We rinse and we rinse, we rinse and we rinse in the water till we're done. And now we will hang them, yes, we will hang them. We will use a clothespin, snap, snap, snap. The quicker we hang them, the quicker we're done. Washing clothes is so much fun.
Well done, friends! All the striped shirts are nice and clean.
Exercises. Open up the book to the red page. Foxtail's in a rush to see you today. Foxtail wants to run and to jump and play. Say hello to Beady, hello, hooray. Raise your hands, give a wave. We will have some fun today. She is red, Speedy too. Foxtail is the friend for you. Hello, Foxtail.
Morning, it's a brand new day. We can exercise and play. Move with Foxtail all day long. Come, let's put our sneakers on. I am Foxtail, here I go. Here I go, here I go. Won't you exercise with me? We'll get stronger, wait and see. I am Foxtail, here I go. Here I go, here I go. Won't you exercise with me? We'll get stronger, wait and see.
Hooray! Foxtail is telling everyone to exercise. Let's all follow along.
Raise your arms nice and high. To the sky, to the sky. Put your arms down so low. Here we go, here we go. Arms, oh arms go. Up and down, up and down. Arms, oh arms go. Up and down, up and down. Bend your legs at the knees. Here we go, here we go. Stand up straight, not too slow. Here we go, here we go. Legs, oh legs go. Bending down, standing up. Legs, oh legs go. Bending down, standing up. Raise your arms nice and high. To the sky, to the sky. Bend your legs at the knees. Here we go, here we go. Put your arms down so low. Here we go, here we go. Stand up straight, not too slow. Here we go, here we go. Raise your arms nice and high. Bend your legs, you can try. Put your arms down so low. Stand up straight, not too slow.
Rain. Open up the book to the blue page. Watch the little beadies, they fly and paint. Say hello to Wolfy and all his friends. Soon we will be having some fun with them. Just you wait, there's a game. We will play in the blue rain. Do-do-do, do-do-do. for you. Hello, Wolfy.
Well, my name is Wolfy, and this is my home. I will always teach you the things that I know. We'll play all together beneath the blue rain. We'll smile at the clouds on this wonderful day. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I am Wolfy, my color is blue. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will play in the blue rain with you. Oh!
It's so nice that all of Wolfy's friends are with him today. But it looks like the clouds are gathering in the sky. Happy little Beady knows what to do. She will fill the clouds with the color blue. Now the clouds will cover the yellow sun, and they'll make the rain fall on everyone. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Watch the blue rain drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Watch the blue rain drop, drop, drop. When the blue rain falls, it gets Wolfy wet. Hold a blue umbrella above his head. Even Wolfy's boots are the color blue. Wolfy has some games for his friends to do. Oh, the rain has become quite heavy.
All of the clouds rain down from the sky. Use your umbrella to keep you dry. Just follow Wolfy, do what I do. All of the rain is so nice and blue. Rainy, rainy, drop, drop, drop. Blue umbrella, pum, pum, pum.
Hey, the Beadies took the umbrella. What will you do now?
Let's raise our arms and then they will spread like an umbrella above our head. Run through the puddles, stomping our feet. Wolfy will sing and you will repeat. Hands together, clap, clap, clap. Feet in water, stomp, stomp, stomp. Hands together, clap, clap, clap. Feet in water, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dance in a puddle, jump really fast. It is so fun when you make a splash. Faster and faster beneath all the rain. Dance in the puddles with me again. Puddles, puddles, pum, pum, pum. Sunny, sunny, sun, sun, sun.
Scooter. Open up the book to the red page. Let's go see what Foxtail will do today. Foxtail likes her sports and to exercise. Does she have in store something very nice? Will we run? Play with ball? Will we jump, try not to fall? Play with hoops? Not today. Foxtail, tell us what to play. Hello, Foxtail. Wow, that's a scooter.
Ride so fast and feel the breeze. Keep your balance, use your speed. I will teach you how today. Who is with me? Come, let's play. Check it out, check it out. I'll show you my scooter now. Scooter, scooter, so much fun. Come here quickly, everyone.
How lovely. Look, your friends want to learn to ride too.
I have 3 nice wheels for you. A platform and brakes to use. I will spin, spin, spin my wheels. You can ride me, it's a deal. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. I'm the fastest on the road. Hold on tightly with your hands. Push your foot and go so fast. While we're moving right along. Push again and sing my song. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. Keep my balance on the road. There's a barrier up there. There's no breeze. Oh, how great, my friends, you see. There's a stopwatch, shall we do? Press the brake, I'll slow for you. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. I can stop here on the road.
Riding the scooter is so much fun.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited.